Here are the three best things about the Kiwi Ears Cadenza 2 in-ear monitors, okay? First, they feature a high-performance, newly developed 10mm titanium-coated PET dynamic driver, okay? By combining the rigid structural strength of titanium with the fluid polymer diaphragm, this speaker design delivers remarkable resolution, ultra-sharp transients, and an uncolored, lifelike audio clarity that captures fine acoustic details typically missed by standard budget earphones, okay? Second, they utilize the next generation Kiwi acoustic resonance systems, okay? It's called CARS 2.0 for perfect tonal balance, right? This advanced micrometer scale labyrinth tuning creates an 8 dB sub-bass boost that cuts off sharply at 200 hertz, giving you deep, hard-hitting subwoofer-like impact without ever bleeding into or muddying up the warm, intimate mid-range and vocals, right? And finally, guys, they are perfect for musicians, audiophiles, and gamers who want premium durability, all-day comfort, and an elegant look. Weighing under 5 grams per earbud, they are built from an impact-resistant polycarbonate composite shell topped with a sleek CNC machined aerospace aluminum faceplate, and they include a premium tangle-free 2-pin detachable copper cable that guarantees crystal clear signal transmission. All right, so y'all, if you want a low-cost pair of professional grade wired IEMs that offer a massive soundstage, an exceptional imaging, and an incredibly smooth, non-fatiguing listen, these are definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace, y'all.